The morning only got prettier as the sun came up, so I'm gonna go out and take a look at this. That beautiful sky. I have to document it because my grandkids may not see a sky that looks like this. This is what a real, normal spring clouds look like. Well, I don't know. Is anything normal anymore? Is this what normal sky looks like, or is this the new kind of chemtrailing? There is no way of knowing, because we're not privy to that. But this is what a blue sky looks like. Well, bluer than we've gotten in many, many years. I don't know where that thunderstorm went. Looks like, oh, I can just barely see it over the horizon. I think it went north. Yeah, sometimes it skips this little basin here and goes around us, heads for Mount Shasta and Mount Lassen, and skips us here, but that's alright. I can live with that. Okay, that's it. Just wanted to get the date and time in this for future reference. See you guys later. Have a good day. Bye-bye.